Well, it looks like an even newer mailbox is here. Is it metal? Oh, it's just some kind of, well, it's a cooler. And that's actually in the pipe that I installed. Oh, man. Well, see if, does it open? If it opens, I'll leave some stickers inside. Oh, it does too. Look at that. Hey, there's a Rolo bar in there. All right, I'll leave some stickers in there for the tourists. And I'll stick one of mine on somewhere on here. On the top. That's rather creative. Somebody repurposed a cooler into a Area 51 mailbox. Alright, I put my sticker right there. Cool. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done installing mailboxes. Because that guy that lives in Vegas just comes and destroys it and removes it after 2 weeks. It's unfortunate, but that's the way she goes.